Kapla, and welcome to Cooking with KAG. Today we make blood pie. First ingredient is ginger bread. The spices of our ancestors. Ground tart meat. Blood of our enemies. Pickled Vulcan ears. Human cheese. Heat our oven to 400 degrees Kelvin. Brown our tart meat. We will set our phasers to brown. Okay. Next, we will take and we will layer our meat. All about the layers. Nice layer of meat on there. Next, blood of our enemies. Smooth them all off the bits and pieces. Some Vulcan ears. Human cheese. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. While we're waiting, we'll cut the ginger bread. We use the spices of our ancestors. This is from the house of Grilka. Ever so lightly, a little bit will go a long way. And then we'll toast lightly. Replicator malfunction. Don't matter, they look good and they smell great. It's done. Hot Hot, 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 hot. Oh, fit for a feast. Let's dig in. Look at that. Remember, hunger for battle, but don't go into battle hungry.